Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix Epic Games Launcher update available. So as you from here, when you open Epic Games, sometimes it says update required. So sometimes it just auto update like in my situation I'll see from here, and if I close it, it will reinstall again when I open it again. So I need to hit on yes, and it will open again as you from here. So it will tell me update required. So as you from here, I just turned off my internet. So I will close Epic Games again, and now we'll open it again without the internet connection. So now it won't tell me that it requires an update. So you need to click on continue in offline mode as see from here, and now you can just start playing without even updating. If you now want to update your Epic Games, you can just turn on your internet. After that, you need to click on retry as see from here, and now it will tell you to update. As see from here, it tells me that update is required, and as you see, the update will start. So that's it. That's actually how you update or stop the update in Epic Games and fix that issue for you. So thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.